What up, my roadies? Road Trip Dave is coming at you from Hampton Inn & Suites, Greenville Airport, near Greenville, South Carolina. Why are we here, you may ask? Well, it's because I spend a lot of time at places like this. That's right, we're going to check out the Greenville County Aquatic Complex, where we get to see swim meets, a lot of them.
So now you're wondering, so where do you stay, Dave? Well, this time we stayed at the Greenville Hampton Inn & Suites near Greenville International Airport. As you can tell, our exit here is exit 54 off Pelham Road. Now, cool thing about this place, it's got a lot of restaurants near it and Top Golf. So, a lot of things to do if you have the time to have fun. But if you're here for a swim meet or a soccer tournament, you don't have time. Now I know you're thinking, well, Dave, Hampton Inn & Suites is pretty much the same everywhere. And that's relatively true. There's always some extra features or amenities or foods. But this one here is a really nice one. And let's just check it out.
If you are wondering why I haven't been posting much content, my roadies, it's because I go to places like this quite frequently, about every other week, with soccer tournaments and swim meets. But they are very convenient and very nice. They have their own shuttle, take you to the airport, actually take you into a lot of places around Greenville. And let's check out the lobby. Makes you happy. Making you happy makes us happy. Sweet. One of the things that I have absolutely loved about Hampton Inn & Suites is their breakfast. And they have so many different varieties for breakfast, like their own boiled eggs and yogurt, as well as grits. They also have eggs, egg omelets, sausage, and of course their most fantastic Belgian waffles, which you can make. And we can actually check out their pastries, such as scones and muffins. There's plentiful amounts of those, and that's where you can make your Belgian waffles. Fantastic. With the Hampton Inn's reward system, anytime you stay, you get rewards points, and then it builds you up for free stays. And that includes hotels all over the United States and Canada. And you even get access to different amenities, like their pools. Now, this one had an indoor pool, no hot tub, unfortunately, but it would be a great place to cool off after a long day at a soccer tournament or swim meet. Let's check out our room. The only room that was available for us was actually a king studio, but it was right by the elevators on the second floor, which made getting downstairs very easy. You'll notice that we actually brought a cot for our fifth kid to sleep on. Most of these studios will only sleep 4. Now, the king bed is very spacious, but the sofa that Mrs. Road Trip is kindly waving from is also a pull-out bed, and it actually sleeps 2 kids very comfortably. Most Hampton Inns will have artwork or photography of the cities that they're located in, and that right there is the Liberty Bridge at the falls at Reedy Park. The room comes equipped with a nice TV as well as a small desk if you are working, and of course are the typical amenities like a microwave, an ice bucket, which of course is standard, and then of course the refrigerator with mini freezer. Now, I'm not sure why you would want to brew your own coffee in the hotel room when Hampton Inn has fresh, hot coffee 24/7, but it's there for your convenience. Now, in the closet, there are the standard things that you'll find, such as the iron and ironing board. You'll also find there in that plastic bag the linens for the pull-out sofa. In my travels, I always come back to Hampton Inn & Suites, and one of the other reasons why is because they have immaculate bathrooms. I've never been disappointed when I go to a hotel room managed by the Hampton Inn and Suites team. All of the linens are there. They're always clean. The bathrooms are clean and sterile. And I always feel like I can make myself at home there. 0% is the brand used by Hampton Inn and Suites. 0% is actually a sub-brand from Gilchrist & Soames. And you'll find their bath products around the showers and the bathing areas in most of Hampton Inn and Suites hotels. Essential. Now that I have my coffee, now I can actually stay awake throughout the swim meet. Thing about Hampton Inn and Suites that I love is their Belgian waffles and plenty of coffee. And you can get coffee throughout the entire day. 24/7, really. Now it's off to the swim meet. Let's go. As we pull into the parking lot of the amazing Greenville County Aquatic Complex, you know the drill. Chokeslam the like button, all that jazz. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Make sure you also follow me on all my social media. And if you want to support my channel, you can always click the PayPal or Super Thanks button. Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but believe it or not, this is a state-of-the-art aquatic complex. And you'll see what it looks like on the inside. Yes, this is where I spend weekends. These are the kind of places I spend my weekends now. Ha ha ha! Did that look like fun? Yes, my roadies. There's nothing more exhilarating than waking up at the crack of dawn to take your kid to a swim meet. I've lost it! See, it looks like a shed. It looks like a big warehouse, but really those are doors to upload pool equipment. And here's the main entrance. Now, apparently, you can also work out here during normal work hours, but they close the entire pool for the meet. There's the therapy pool. That's where they do warm-ups and everything. And this right here is the main pool. So normally it's called a therapy pool, but this is where the swimmers will cool down or warm up for their events during the meet. Impressive. Waking up at 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning after having the swimming last night, and now we're back here in the morning. Yes, my roadies, this is my life. This has been my life. Great snack bar right there, and plenty of spectators room. Looks like they're about to start an event. When there's a lull in the action, the best thing to do is to go outside and enjoy the sunshine. If it is shining. Yesterday it was rainy. Let's take a look at the playground. There's the other side. You can hear them cheering on the swimmers, or even right now. I think I may be a little too big to play on it. Oh well. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming your way soon. Again, Dave's Roadies. Until next time, laters.